Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view the quarterly revenue of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. Understanding quarterly revenue is important because it allows you to see how a business performs over shorter periods, identify trends, and analyze seasonal impacts on sales, which is essential for investors, analysts, and anyone interested in financial performance. Once you open Google Finance, start by selecting a stock of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. Click on the stock to open its detailed view. Scroll down to the bottom to the Financial section. Here you'll see three main options: Income Statement, Balance Sheet, and Cash Flow. Make sure Income Statement is selected to access revenue data. From here, you can toggle between annual and quarterly figures. Go ahead and select Quarterly to view the revenue for each quarter. Once you're on the quarterly page, you can see the revenue by looking at the graph and the stats displayed. You can also explore revenue numbers for previous quarters. Just watch them for each period to understand how the company's sales have changed over time. This is really useful if you want to compare different quarters or evaluate growth trends. Quarterly revenue is a key metric for understanding the ongoing performance of a company and can provide insights into future earnings potential. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps you understand how to check the quarterly revenue of a stock or company on Google Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.